What's up, y'all? I'm back again with another YouTube. So today I got something a little different. It's my first time doing DIY, so bear with me because I'm probably gonna mess it up. Okay, this DIY is a cloud light. I think so, right? Cloud light? I think so. Yeah, so I got all the stuff to do it. I'm gonna try not to use profane language. If I do, I am so sorry. I'll cut it out, make sure. Okay, so let me show you all the materials that I bought. So these are the lanterns I got. I forgot how big these was. I think 22 inches. Is that right? Oh, they gave me 4. Okay, yeah. So the lanterns, the clouds. You can get this at I got mine at Michael's, so you can get these at Michael's. I got the fishing line because this is what you need to string it into the lantern so you can actually hang it up, and it's clear so it'll look like it's just hanging there, but we all know it's not. Got these on the video that I watched. She got actual screws, but I just wanted to try these out. Maybe these would be better. They're like, yeah, and they're kind of easier to put on stuff for you to screw stuff in the wall. That's probably not a good idea. And I got an extension cord, so when I plug in my LED lights, I'll just plug it into this and it can go up the wall. I tried to get like a plain white one, they didn't have any, so I just said skip it. And I got a hot glue gun. I got this at Michael's too. I got these at Target. Okay, I think that's it. I got my fishing line at Target too. Okay, so let's get straight into this video. So first I'm gonna open these up. I'm a little slow. Y'all gotta bear with me. I don't wanna bite it because Corona. Dang. What in the nonsense is this? Okay, I might have to pause this video. I'm dang sure don't know what those stuff is. That goes me something different. I'm confused. You gotta give me a second. So I think this go at the top, if I'm not mistaken. It's gonna get better. Let's go in the bottom. In the bottom. I'm trying. Not funny. Like, bruh. What? That's not right. Alright. Ooh, wait. I changed it to something else because I know we're about to get a little messy with this. Okay, so she said we should get a little bit. And then she said spread it out. Okay, so here I'm just applying the cotton onto the lantern. I pre-stretched it out before I put it on, and then I kind of like stretched it over the lantern to where like a little bit of the vacancies were, so it would be kind of easier, so I wouldn't have to keep applying cotton to the vacancies. Okay, so here I'm almost done. I'm just keep applying everything. I'm sticking my hand in the hole so I can make sure that the cotton actually stays, so I'm pressing down on it and the cotton at the same time. Okay, so now I'm finished. So I'm gonna get the fishing line and I'm gonna string that into the metal part at the top and make a knot. and you can put it as long or short as you want it. And I'm gonna get one of those hooks, and I'm gonna peel off the adhesive so it can stick, and I'm gonna put it on the ceiling, and we're gonna see how that looks. Okay guys, so all I did was, where is that? Okay y'all, so that was it for my video. I hope I did good, because it was my first DIY. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys do it with your kids, or if you want to just make your room look a little bit more nicer or sci-fi-ish or whatever, you should really do it. It was, as you can see, the steps weren't even that hard. It's just putting the cotton on there. It's really kind of time consuming. It was hurting my back. That's why I only did one. I couldn't do two, y'all. I didn't have it in me. But yeah, I hope y'all like this video. Thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe, please and thank you. All right y'all, see you later.